I just find a problem because I didn't. It's just if I think it's because of the late is there is about tiredness maybe. And I don't know why I didn't. Uh, I I defined the pointer, but I didn't create a new object. So I have to say new exactly this one. I have to create a new pointer. Maybe this is the what I have to done is the I have to say new as well. Sorry, new, and this was the kind of exception, and I'm gonna run the program. As you can see here, I just that's why how do I find it? Control F11. Just I didn't want to debug it and just see the error and realize it. That is the problem. Anyway, just in the population, just we just selection instead of the mother and father from population. Just here and choose it from the mating pool, and I get just create the mating pool. That's all. I'm gonna write the program and see what is the R output. If 11 639 and give us something better soon, because population is so low, and we see as soon as because mutation, we don't have mutation yet, but even if we don't have mutation, we have to make it lots of that. 1,000 I think is enough. 1,000 population, and you see that 658 and nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm not happy with that. If you remember in the DNA Java, we told the fitness just only brought us the fitness is not zero. Is kind of not good idea for just random generate DNA. That's enough, and we're gonna just calculate as well. We bring them to the calculation as well, and we're gonna here is the for the uh, uh, fitness. I'm gonna just put it as double. It's double fitness. Even I bring the who are having the fitness is only one item to part of our calculation, because if fitness for some of because in before I put the DNA just only who have fitness more than zero, just but here I'm bringing them even the fitness who is zero, give them chance to be our mating pool, to mating pool. Nothing is gonna fine now. Just let's go back to the main program. Just F11 651, and why it doesn't give me very quickly? Let's make the population less. It's gonna be make it 50, and because we creating mating pool, I think maybe I find a better way to do that. With the 50, it's going to be 559. Let's have a come to the generate. Just put the Control Shift B and F5. My baby is in here. Then trace the program and natural selection. I'm gonna go to here and clear, and I say okay, let's see what is the interpers, for example. Pers here 1. Okay, because definitely our fitness may be 1. What is the our fitness? Array 0 and item fitness 559, and the max fitness is 559. My purse. Oh, I forgot to do something. Let's just stop the program. because it's a percentage, I have to multiple. That's the. I'm gonna just put one parenthesis more. I have to multiply by 100 to make a number. I thought there's something wrong, and I think it's not gonna be. It's gonna be fine. Let's just, even with the 50 population, I'll just run it, the program, and see 600. And okay, this is the. I have to just remove the breakpoint. Control Shift the B again, and F8, 677, and give me better. Okay, because we don't have a mutation, I'm sure we have to add, population should be at least 1000. Let's run the program and see with the how many generation we reach the number of the 726. Wow! In 11 generation, we got the answer very quickly. This is the generative algorithm. Let's go to the value 200 and see what's happened for 200. I'm so excited. Let's run the program. 133,000 yet. I want to see soon 136,000 something. And okay, 133,000. Okay, 133,876. And you see that is actually, I'm happy with that. And if I go for the 10,000 maybe and see, because I don't have the mutation, let's see the output. And what is the output? Is going to be and okay, let's not waste of time. Okay, we have to just close all the output, and we're gonna go back to the population. What we have to do here, we have to just write a mutation. Mutation is the one of the we have to always when you say for example 100 or 1000, I'm gonna add, for example, say make the mutation is, for example, what's happened? My computer, yeah, is a 10%. Okay. My mutation rate is just 10%, and if 10% is too much, it has to be like 0, 1. I will tell you what is that exactly. In the population, I'm gonna receive that item as well in the population, and I'm gonna say double mutation rate. Yes, I already have that. I'm gonna add one variable double mutation rate, and I'm gonna just initialize it when in the constructor and say mutation rate is the mutation rate. I think in this video I just can pass the item as a mutation rate, and in here initialize it. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna in the send it for the DNA as well, because DNA needs this. No, DNA doesn't need that, but in here I'm gonna, for the mutation is that, did I write the mutation? Yes, here I'm gonna write mutation as well. Mutation is gonna be mutation rate double. Next video we're gonna talk about double mutation rate, and we're going to talk about what is exactly mutation rate. I just passed mutation from the main class to the population, and in the population I just get that one as a save it in the mutation rate, and in I'm gonna just generate the then I'm gonna use the function of the mutation when I just cross over here. I'm gonna say okay, mother again, and just instead of crossover I'm gonna say mutation. It's